Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It is update load here at 8. So in this tutorial I bring you an update on how to create a Talkatone account or hide your IP from Talkatone detecting that you are using VPN. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. But please, if this is your first time visiting my channel, please subscribe and turn on notification bell for more amazing updates like this. Thanks, I appreciate. So first of all, let me show you something that many of you don't know about Talkatone. First of all, I have two VPNs here. I have NordVPN and I have IP Vanish VPN. You know, both those VPN are very good. So like are very good in hiding IP, but none of any VPN can help you open create Talkatone account except NordVPN. I know many of you might have clicked this video because they heard I said NordVPN. So even in NordVPN there are many strategies and structures that you have to follow in order to succeed. So first of all, let me open my IP Vanish like this and show you something. So like, let me check on my location, show you. Let me search for like Boston and connect. The VPN is connected successfully. So for those that want to buy VPN login, this VPN has actually a 2 years subscription, as you can see here. So you had nothing to worry about. You can message me on WhatsApp on the number shown on the screen to buy it. It is not for free. It is not for free at all. Let's get started. Then the next step is to open your Talkatone app like this and try to create account or login. I have already had an account with Talkatone, and the rules of Talkatone is that if you have an account with them, you can never ever create another account on the same mobile phone. So that is the rule. So even if I try, it won't work. So let me just sign into my existing account. Let me click on I'm not robot. Let me fill the captcha. Let me try to log in and see how it reacts. Can you see? Talkatone said that this login is blocked by my network. This may happen when I am connecting via VPN. But guess what? I have discovered a new way to log in without Talkatone noticing that you are using VPN. What that way is? Okay, first of all, let us clear our app cache, then go back and open our NordVPN. After that, let us go to our NordVPN here. So first of all, in NordVPN there are many servers like this. So when you click on this three dot here, all you need to do is just open the USA server and try to connect. But guess what? If you use any other server in US trying to connect, it won't work unless you connect with this server I'm showing you, Buffalo. Buffalo is the server that can only let you log into Talkatone without Talkatone noticing that you are using VPN. So let me show you some secret. Even in Buffalo, you can't use Buffalo server without some tricks. So when you want to connect, you will just tap on Buffalo here. It will now start connecting. But guess what? See, this VPN has connected, as you can see over here, but there was one problem. You see this hash you see this hash here, hash 9042. So when you see a VPN connected with such server hash 9042 or any server that starts with hash 9 and some two other codes, I'm sorry, but it won't allow you login. If you think I'm lying, let me show you the proof. Let me open my Talkatone. Let me click on signing. Let me enter my Gmail. Guess what? The same answer. Is it not the same answer? Yes, it is the same answer. It is Talkatone is detecting I'm using VPN. So let me clear the app page again and show you how the trick works. I just use this to test show you how the trick works. Now the next step is open your VPN again, disconnect from this Buffalo, tap connect on it again. The main problem is when connecting, when you see it was connecting to hash 9, as you can see here is connected to the server that I'm trying to show you. When it is connected to a server that starts with hash 623 or something like that, then just go to your Talkatone app. It will clearly open without detecting your VPN. But if you connect with the Buffalo hash 9 something, it won't work. It won't work. I repeat, it won't work. Let me show you the proof that this will work 100%. So let me open my Talkatone, sign in. Enter my working Gmail. Boom! As you can see, there is nothing to hide for you guys. This works 100%. It works 100%. As you can see, it works 100%. So please and please, if this video was useful to you, please and please subscribe, turn on notification bell. I know you will be enjoying it, as you are finding it very difficult to log into your Talkatone existing account or even to create another account. Let me go to my Gmail and open the verification code. Here at the code 5511. Boom, boom. As you can see guys, here are what I'm trying to tell you. This is what I'm talking about, and I know you will be enjoying it. So my Talkatone is now successfully open. I know many of you might find it difficult to log into their Talkatone app. Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. It means a lot if you subscribe and support this channel. Thanks, I appreciate. Goodbye. See you in another video.